doing, guys? It is January 31st, 2022. I got a call from a guy. Changed his zone control on his boiler a while back, and he's complaining about no heat above the garage, but I don't think the garage is even connected to the house. So it might have electric heat there or something. It's one of these rich guys. He doesn't know what the hell's going on, so we're gonna go over there and see if I can figure out. I don't think that the hydronic's even hooked up to that part of the house, because it's a separate garage on another area, so it's probably got its own heating system. He's calling me in a flipping panic, but we'll go see if we can bail his sorry ass out, see what's going on here. He's just not familiar with any of this stuff. I understand. That's why I make the big bucks. Oh man, you know I'm in Molly. You know I make the big bucks, Miss Molly. Yeah, you know it. Electric heat. Might be a heat pump, I'm not even sure. Yeah, sure looks like it's a heat pump. Does have a heat strip in here. Does have heat strips. See if we even got any power to this thing. It's on. Oh, I should be able to trace the refrigerant lines to the unit and see which one it is. There's 3 or 4 out there, right? Got heat strips, so should be in some flipping. Alright, so 220. Got 220 there going out. This is a sequencer right there. I'll show you that. Backing myself. 15. That's 120 going in there. 120 going across. 120 going in, but not 220. Yeah, 120 going into this one. I don't think I have anything going into the bottom one. I'll do a 120. The heat strips aren't working. Yeah, I don't have 220 going. There's a black one coming in here. There's a problem. This black one right here is a problem. 240 right there, so we got a problem with that. Heat sequencer. Got a bad heat sequencer. That's a 110. I think I got 24 ones, but I don't have any 110 ones. I don't have the proper voltage coming across that thing for some reason. It's not even fucking plugged in, guy. There you go. There's our problem right there. That a bitch. It ain't gonna work like that. Look at that shit. I think I found our problem. control wiring's not even plugged into it. Somebody put a heat kit in it and never plugged it in. Ain't that something? I got the power off to the thing, so I should be power. This control one, I should plug right into that, like that. And it wasn't plugged in. Ain't that something? Isn't that weird? Somebody put the heat strips in and never even connected the wiring. So we got the control wiring plugged in. We'll put the cover back on. I'm gonna put this. Unbelievable. Crazy shit, man. Alright, let's turn it on and see what happens now. To the heat strips. Before there was no voltage pulling that Alright, we're getting 25 volts there now. Should be working now. We got 220 now. Alright, gonna work now. Gonna work now. It was never even hooked up. We got 220 the heat strips now. I never had the low voltage hooked up. Plugged into the thing, so the heat strips were never working. They're working now. I did check it. I do have 220 going to the heat strips now. I did it before. Sending me pictures of a heat pump out there. Just above the garage here. It's only one room. It's only 5 kW. Hooked up 5 kW heat strips, low voltage wiring. It's been in since 2010. They never hooked it up. Must have been put in the summertime. I don't even know if it's a heat pump out there. I don't think so. Yeah, so it is warming up. So 50 is good enough. I mean, yeah, up here, just kind of take the chill out of the place, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so just leave it on auxiliary. We'll have to check the heat pump outside. Is it even turned on? Let's go take a quick look.
I don't know. The pool guy might have turned it off. I don't know.
Where is it? Outside? Let me grab my tools. Is it even on? I think it's off. Yeah, it's off. Doesn't even have it hooked up. Yeah, it doesn't even have it hooked up. I mean, whoa. You want to get all this shit off of there or what?
What's that?
Gonna move all that stuff out of there. Look at that. Ain't that a bitch? Compressor's on, but the fan's probably frozen. Oh, she's running. Let's clear that off there. Clear that shit off the top. We just gotta move that snow. You got a shovel or something? I got one in the truck. Might not even have a charge. I don't even know if the charge is even working. Whoa, we want to make sure, yeah, be careful with that. Well, we got the electric backup anyway. I don't even know if the charge is even any good on this thing, you know? It seems to be warming up a little bit. Let's give it a little...
What does the electric backup do?
This is a heat pump.
Yeah.
So this runs a reversing valve, and it puts the heat from outside inside. Air conditioner takes the heat from inside and moves it outside. So it's just a reversing valve on a heat pump that takes the heat from outside. So when it's cold like this, you don't have a lot of heat outside.
Right.
So that's what the electric strips are for, a backup.
Oh, so this has stopped working, and that works.
It is working. It might be low on charge. We're probably going to have to let it run for a bit. What a flipping mess, huh? Unbelievable. It snowed in here. So obviously this is going to need to move all this shit the hell out of here, the tire and stuff, so we can get in here, right? I mean... Probably going to need a charge. I mean, you could work off the electric strips for now, you know what I mean?
We should do that. Why don't we just do that and just deal with this at another time?
When you're better off to do is check this in the springtime.
Yeah.
Check the charge. It might be low. 410. It's been over 10 years. Usually they start, you know, might have to put some Freon in it.
Right.
I'm thinking it's probably low. And what's going to happen is if we do run it, it's just going to ice up if it's low on gas. So why don't we just shut it off for now, and then in the spring we'll check it. We'll run off the heat strips for now.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's only a garage, right?
Right.
Why don't we do that? And we'll check it in the spring, in the summertime. It's already 47. It's already come up 7 degrees, right? So we'll just run it on. We'll just run it on emergency heat for now.
What does that do?
That runs the heat strips because the heat pump's not working right now. And we'll wait until it warms up a little bit, and we'll check the charge on a warm day. It's only this little. You're really not doing much here anyway, right? the guy just left that job. I talked to the homeowner about getting the heat pump. I think it's a little low on gas. It doesn't seem to be warming up. So he's gonna have to shovel all that out of there and move all that stuff so I can get in there. If he wants me to work on that thing. No, he'd just rather run the heat strips for now till it warms up a little bit. Then we'll get in there and probably put some more, give it a little juice. Usually 410A, usually anything over 10 years, usually they start leaking. That's been my experience with them. So it's been in 12 years, I'm sure it needs a douche. So I'm just gonna run the heat strips. The guy that installed that system never hooked up the low voltage when he put it in. Probably put it in the summertime, you know, and never checked the heat part of it. It was never hooked up. It's only 5 kW. I mean, it's only a little room above the garage. He's not even staying in there. He just wants to have a little bit of heat. Set it at 50. Be all right with a heat strip. Got a $5 million house over there. I don't think he's worried about a little electricity. Well, I don't think so, Molly. You know, I don't think he's worried about a little bit of electricity. Anyway, that's the deal. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch.